In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add bullets and numbers in Microsoft PowerPoint 2016. These simple steps will help you organize your slides beautifully, making your presentation more engaging and easier for your audience to follow. So let's dive right in and start creating. First, you'll want to open PowerPoint on your computer. If you haven't already installed it, you'll need to do that first. Otherwise, you can simply double click the PowerPoint icon on your desktop or find it in your applications folder. Once PowerPoint is up and running, open your existing presentation by navigating to the File menu at the top left corner, then selecting Open. Locate and double click the file you wish to edit, and it should open right away. Now that we have your presentation on the screen, direct your attention to the top of the window where you will find a tab marked Insert. Click on it. This tab is vital as it houses options for adding various elements to your slides such as text boxes, images, and more. Once in the Insert tab, find and click on the text box icon. This allows you to place additional text wherever you need on your slide. Go ahead and click anywhere on your selected slide to begin adding your text. This is particularly useful for annotations or notes that are not part of your main slide's template. With the text box now on your slide, type in the content you wish to display. It's helpful to think about what key points you want your audience to remember or focus on. Type those directly into the text box you've just created. Next, we'll format this text with bullets or numbers. To do this, we'll shift our attention to the Home tab, found just to the left of the Insert tab. Give it a click and you'll be redirected back to familiar territory where you can adjust your text formatting. Highlight the text that you'd like to transform into a bulleted or numbered list. Simply click and drag your cursor over the text to select it. It's crucial to ensure all the text you want affected is highlighted during this step. Look for the paragraph section within the Home tab. This area is usually in the middle of the Options ribbon. Once there, you'll see various tools to modify your text layout. To add bullets, simply click on the bullets icon. This will immediately transform your highlighted text into a list with bullet points preceding each line. If a numbered list suits your needs better, choose the numbering option, which is conveniently located just to the right of the bullets icon. And there you have it, a structured and professional looking list in your PowerPoint presentation, adaptable in either bullet or numbered form. Thanks for watching, and with these techniques you're sure to create an impactful and visually appealing presentation.